Hi everyone, welcome back to this new lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about adjectives. Adjectives is the most important topic of our English grammar. So let's learn. So if you are new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, before starting the video, you need to understand what are topics we are covering in this lesson. Okay, so first topic is what are adjectives, means introduction of adjectives. Next, type of adjectives, and third topic is how to use adjectives and how to identify adjectives in a sentence. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, the definition here about adjectives. Adjectives are words that describes or give more information about nouns and pronouns. Okay, noun means name of people, places, things or ideas. Okay, and they make our sentence more descriptive and interesting also. Okay guys, so this is our short information and short definition of adjectives. Adjectives that are words that describe or give more information about nouns and pronouns. Okay, so let's see types of adjectives. Okay, so types of adjectives. First type here, descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjective means describe the qualities of a noun. Okay, describe the qualities of a noun. For example, the beautiful flowers smells nice. The beautiful flowers smells nice. So words tall, round, soft, colorful. Okay, they all words are descriptive adjectives. Okay, descriptive adjectives. But in this sentence, the beautiful flowers smells nice. So what is descriptive adjective? Okay, descriptive adjective here, beautiful. Okay, descriptive adjective here, beautiful. Okay, so flower is a noun, but before noun adjective comes. Okay, so we can say beautiful is a descriptive adjective here. Okay, next type here, quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjectives indicate quantity or amount. Quantity or amount. Okay, quantity, for example, I have 2 apples. I have 2 apples. Okay, so here quantity, 2 is a quantity of apples. Apples, apples are nouns. Okay, so I can say 2 is a quantitative adjective here. Okay, next words like some, many, few, several. Okay, they are also all quantitative adjective here, adjective words here, and descriptive adjective words here, tall, round, soft, colorful. Okay, third type here, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjective means point to specific nouns. Point to specific nouns. So to point out specific nouns, we use demonstrative adjectives. For example, this, that, these, those. There are 4 words here to indicate demonstrative adjectives. Okay, so example here, I like this book. I like this book. This book is a noun, but to indicate a specific book, we have to use demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is here this. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. First type of adjective here, descriptive. Second, quantitative. Third, demonstrative. Okay, so let's see next. Next type of adjectives here, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjective means show ownership. Possessive adjective to show ownership. Okay, so ownership means my, your, his, her, our, their. Like your wallet, your pen, your purse, like that. Okay, so possessive adjective words here, my, your, his, her, your, our, their. Example here, it is my pencil. It is my pencil. Okay, so my is a possessive adjective and it shows ownership. Okay, Next type of adjective here, interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjective used in a question, to ask a question. Okay, so you use, you can say interrogative adjectives. Okay, so like which, what, whose, which, what, whose. They are all interrogative adjectives here to ask a question. Okay, you can example here, which shirt is yours? Which shirt is yours? Okay, so which is a interrogative adjective here. Adjective, adjective comes before the noun here, shirt. So before shirt, which is a adjective here. Okay, adjective comes before a noun or pronoun. Okay, but noun mostly comes after adjective. Okay, next type here, comparative and superlative adjectives. Comparative and superlative adjectives. Okay, so this was compare nouns. Okay, compare nouns. Okay, comparative, compare two things. Comparative adjectives, compare two things. Okay, superlative compares three or more things. Okay, superlative compares three or more things, but comparative only compares two things. Example here, this chair is bigger. This chair is bigger than that one. In this sentence, only two things here. That is chair and second chair. First chair and second chair. This chair is bigger than that one. Okay, but in next example, he is the tallest in the class. He is the tallest in the class. So here tallest is the superlative degree. Okay, superlative degree. So here comparison is more than three or more things in class. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. Superlative or comparative. Comparative compares only two things, but superlative compares three or more things. Okay, so comparative or superlative adjectives. Adjective means like tallest, vigor. Superlative, comparative adjective in tallest is a superlative adjective word. Okay, interrogative and possessive adjectives. I hope you understand. So let's see our next point is very important. How to identify adjectives in a sentence. How to identify as adjective in a sentence. So I have an example. Let's understand. Okay, so find a noun. Find a noun. Look for words that describe it. Okay, so example here, the red car is fast. The red car is fast. So what is noun? What is adjective here? Okay, so car is a noun, red is a adjective. Okay, so noun, car is a noun and red is a adjective. So already about adjective. Adjectives come before the nouns. Okay, most of time. Okay, so I hope you can identify easily adjectives or nouns. Okay, and noun comes after the adjectives. Okay, but adjectives always come before the nouns. Okay, so I hope you guys, if you have any kind of doubt related to this topic, you can ask me in the comment box. I will give you reply definitely. Or if you like the information, then like, share the video. Also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video very soon.